So I'm not gonna lie, guys. I forget that the Insta X4 has the freaking start to or like talk to feature or like you know commands. So using them, I'm like, sure thing. Forgot about these. Wallahi. Ah! Hit marker sound effects, bro. See if I can get my editing skills up to par. I mean, thumbnails take time, bro. Like that's a skill of its own. Like I've kind of gotten good. I've got decent. I've got mid. I've got mid to say the least. Oh yeah. Do I do it to him, boys? Mwahaha. Nah, I'm just kidding. Do I go give him the sauce? Buckle up. Buckle up. Seatbelt on. And enjoy the ride. Tesla? You got a Tesla? Let me get that Tesla. Like how bro just sped off immediately so I couldn't even. It's like having the keys to everywhere you go. Turn my music up. Oh, it's this one. Oop, towel on the floor. Your mama gonna beat you. Got the gosh darn towels on. Uh. But I'm trying to get home so I can review this stick for y'all. Traffic would permit. Like, Excusez-moi. Excusez-moi. Ah, try to get me. Woo! What shall we pick on? Oh, that's somebody's grandma. Yeah, oh yeah. Alright, bet. I'm on fuck, Sports Bike and Chill. Check out AZ. Okay, bet. AZ Bikers up, dude. Okay, bet. Fuck. Get him a card. I feel like there's a cop. I feel like there's a cop in the. Of all the guys in the first time, I was like, alright, cool. I'll just hold up here. Alright. I ain't gonna be able to get up here, but. Okay, okay. I'll kill it. Huh? Oh, fuck, my bad, dog. Okay, bet. Yeah, the car meet stuff too. Like, I go to all the. I just got a pop-up. I'm getting a pop-up tip made, so I'm gonna need hella people to like come and support. And, like, huh? Okay, yeah, we'll plan something for sure. Well, I don't want to hold you up, bitch, to get out of here. I know you're probably like en route. But okay. Here. I just joined. Think. I think. Is this you guys? Oh, am I? So it might still be pending. But yeah, I like doing the content thing. I actually just started my business to teach people how to ride, like the 125s and shit. Yeah, literally. So I ain't gonna hold you up, dog. Do your thing, brother. I'm going home. In one stop and then go home to. Yep, let me know. Drive. Have a good one, boss. Imagine. What the fuck? I'm pulling the clutch all the way. Bro, imagine I get stopped for photos mid-ride, mid-vlog, not even mid-ride. This is why, like, I always at the same time I hate it. It's like, bro, that means I constantly like go through my camera roll and do stuff. Like, I don't want to do that. So the job is, bro, be a creator, right? So lovely, moped. So lovely, right? Even when you don't want to, you know, on the camera, you're kind of forced. You're like, oh. But yeah, no, that's actually kind of dope. Yeah! I'm fucking back, boys! The selfie stick is back, I'm back. Like, bro. Like I said, I hope you guys have been safe, man. That pretty much concludes this part of the. I'm probably just gonna go back to get the video of the selfie stick. Not sponsored video, but like, would love for that to happen. Instant 360 if this somehow gets into someone in your camp's, you know, hands or team's hands. I would love the product review. I hope this one does like super crazy views. Like, please, if you guys are watching, smash that like button, bro. Drop a comment. Please help the algorithm out, cause like I'm trying to blow up the channel, and doing these product reviews, bro, would be like a great shot at me being able to collaborate. Oh, it's plain. Being able to collaborate with some like not only great brands but great people, bro. I'm in it for the experience of like doing stuff that nobody gets to do, and then having a little sneak peek access for you guys, so you guys get to, you know, come along. A Grom! Is it a Grom? It's a Grom. Oh, it's a Navi. Okay. I got excited and literally jumped over for no reason at all. Yeah! I got a 125! I got this and a 125! If you pull over, I got Instagram. I got cards, business cards. You want? What's up, bro? I saw the Navi. I was. It's a Navi. I graduated this year, so like when I see bikes, bro, I immediately just jump over and I'm like, oh shit, follow me on the ground, bro. We'll have to ride sometime, or like pop out to the mini bike rides. I do photography too, so like, just 750. Yeah, it's still fast. Ride safe. Helmet, fool. Helmet. Oh, okay. Chiquilo, the cars, bro. Alright. Thank you, man. I thought bro was gonna speak full English, and I was sadly mistaken. Full Spanish. I tried to have a full conversation in English, as if bro was gonna be able to hear me. And I probably shouldn't even, honestly. So I realized that, but like, oh well, like he's not even gonna. It's like, maybe this could be dope, and maybe it could not be. But I don't know. I'm not mad. It's just funny that like the odds of him riding a Navi in Spanish in my head were slim to none. Slim to none. It's like, oh, he definitely speaks. My phone open? I like that song. Stop it! Oh, this is a banger. I'll run this back. Mamacitas! Yeah! Being a little goofy goober. A little goofy goober. I really just want to get to high key. Minus the garbage. Like, what is this parking job, my brother? I like triple check time I pull into a parking lot now. Hit. That concludes this part of the vlog, yo. Hope you're right, Dave. You get your dream bike, you accomplish all your goals. Real tail slide. I will catch you guys with a clip of that Insta 360 selfie stick. Shot on the Insta X4, by the way. I'm trying to push the best quality I can for y'all. I've thought about getting a DJI, but I don't know. I feel like the Insta does the job fairly well. Seeing pure excitement when you're on a smoke, bro, is unmatched. Like, you're just like, locked in, bro. Like, I'll catch you guys in the next vlog, bro. Come on, dude. Yeah. Ever since I've been in the shit,